All right, here we are. It's, I think, negative 22 air temperature. We're gonna really test this blizzard, buddy. I wish the wind was still blowing hard, but I got up this morning and thought I'd give it a shot. All I have is on the long sleeve shirt, shorts, my muck boots. I never got to give this thing a real shot. I'm gonna put these boot blankets on real quick. And my fingers fall off. I want to really see what this suit can do. Sat out here for a little bit this morning, and see how warm this suit can keep us. Fingers are starting to go a little bit already. That's normal. I'll have to kind of time lapse this thing because, of course, my phone's gonna die if I keep it out here for a little bit. Too long turned on, but alrighty, well, I'm gonna get up here and stand real quick, and we'll check back in a little bit. We'll see y'all. Well, it's frozen. Well, results are in. Kept me warm there for about 2 hours to sit up there, so